Everyone. Well, if you have a Windows 11 file crashing issue and you have tried so many things, this tutorial is for you as we are going to fix it in minutes. So we are doing only three simple steps to fix this problem. So the very first step here is to click on the search icon and type C as in Charlie, M as in Mike, D as in David, CMD. Once you have typed it, then we need to run as administrator. I'll click on that and it will ask you to say yes. And a new window will appear like this and it should show you administrator command prompt like this. Now here I'm going to run a command. So I'll paste this command in the description box and you can simply copy and paste it right here. So this file explorer crashing issue comes due to corruption and this command is going to repair your computer. So I'll just hit enter and this will deploy image servicing and management tool, and it might take 2 to 5 minutes to repair your computer. And once it is done, we are going to run a different command. Once it is done, again, we need to open the command prompt. On the same page, you can run this command. I'll just open it again, run as administrator. Now here in the command prompt, we need to type sfc space / scannow. This is again a system file checker tool, and you can simply hit enter. This will also repair your computer, and any which way it is very good for the computer. Now this will take another 2 to 5 minutes to get, depends on your computer. And once this is done, you can restart the computer and your issue for File Explorer, whatever the crash issues are there as far as the File Explorer is concerned, that will be fixed. And the last step which we need to do is to update the graphics driver. And to do that, you just need to do a right click in the start icon and then go to device manager, and here we will go to display adapters and do a right click on update driver, and then search automatically for the drivers. All right, if it says the best driver is already installed, then you can simply select search for updated drivers on Windows Update. You can also check the date of that driver. Just do a right click on that driver, go to properties, and then go to driver section. You will find the driver date right there. All right. So you can update that, and you can also visit the manufacturer website for the latest driver. Once it is done, for most of us, this will fix the problem. And do let me know in the comment section if you have an issue and if this issue has been fixed. I'll be glad if you do so, and I'll try my best to fix your problem if it is not fixed. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.